Introduction about B black elements. In B black elements, number of elements are present in B black elements in the group of 13 to 18th group. So we have seen so far 118 elements. All the elements are grouped in four blacks. One is S black, another one is B black, and another one is D black, another one is F blacks. We have learned that the properties of the S black element and their important compounds in 11th standard. So need not say about anything about the S black element. The mean of the B black element. The mean B black element means the elements of the B black, every element, its last electron enters in the p orbital is called B black element. Again I am telling, the elements of the B black, every element, its last electron entered in the p orbital is called the B black element. Example, boron having atomic number 5. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 and 2s2 and 2p1. The last one electron enters into 2p1 orbital. So it is called as B black elements. Another example, carbon, its atomic number is 6. Its electronic configuration can be written 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So the last electron, 2 electron enters into the p orbital. Another example, nitrogen, its atomic number is 7. Its electronic configuration should be written like this, 1s2 and 2s2 and 2p3. So the last 3 electron enters in the p orbital. So it is called the B black elements. Place of the B black elements. The B black elements are placed in periodic table in right hand side of the periodic table, in front of our face. The B black elements are placed in 13th group to and 18th group. The first member of the each group, 13 and 14 and 15 and 16, 17 and 18 are boron and carbon and nitrogen and oxygen and fluorine and helium respectively. The B black elements, the black contains metal and non-metal and metalloid. You know that what is metal? Metals are easily form the positive ion. Metals are easily form the positive ion. It example, gold and lead are example of metal. And non-metal, a chemical substance or an element, not a metal, but it is example of that carbon and hydrogen and chlorine and fluorine. Metalloid, the metalloid is not a metal, but it has the properties like the metal. Metalloid is not a metal, but it has the properties like the metal. For example, germanium and silicon. These are the poor conductor. So they are used as a semiconductor. They are poor conductor of electricity. And B black elements and their compounds play important role in our day-to life. For example, the molecular oxygen, without molecular oxygen, we cannot the survival of the living system. So simply I say you, if there is no oxygen, all the living system not possible to live. That is the meaning of the sentence. So the molecular oxygen, we cannot survival of the living system. And the second, the metal and its alloys are used the plenty of application ranging from the household utensil and the part of aircraft. And the semiconducting nature of some metals like germanium and silicon made the revolutionary change in electronical field. General trends in properties of the B black element. The B black elements are having some properties. The properties are largely depends upon their electronic configuration. Electronic configuration means its atomic number arranged in the orbital, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, f orbital in accordance to its atomic number. And size. The size define the distance between the center of nucleus to and outermost valence shell. And ionization means the amount of energy is required to remove an electron from the isolated gaseous atoms or molecule, that is called ionization. And then electronegativity means that in bonded atom the electronegativity means the tendency of atom attract towards the shared pair of electron towards itself is called electronegativity. And electronic configuration and oxidation state, the B black elements are generally having the electronic configuration first n(s)(2) to p power 1 minus 1 to 6. So the B orbital having the capacity of electron 6, so it has 1 to 6. If it is having off, it is a stable. If it is having 6, it is a stable. If it is partially filled, it is unstable. The elements of the 18th groups are having inert elements. Inert elements means they are completely filled, so they are less reactivity. These are called inert elements or inert gases. They are more stable and they have the less reactivity. The elements of the B black, the variable oxidation state. The elements are having a different oxidation state, and which shows the positive oxidation state. Some of the B black elements are having some of the B black elements are having a negative oxidation state like halogens, because they are having a strong tendency to attract or gain an electron to give the stable halide ion. So after that they are filled configuration, so they are having negative oxidation state. At the metallic nature means the metals of the B black elements are having the tendency to losing the electron, to forming the cation by losing the electron. Again I am telling to you what is called the metallic nature. The elements of the D black are having a tendency to form a cation by losing the electron. This is called electropositive element or metallic character. This topic may be asked in 2 more questions. And the character depends upon the ionization energy. The metallic character depends upon the ionization energy. And going downwards, the ionization energy decreases and the metallic character increases. Ionization energy is defined as the amount of, already I told you, I am again and remind, the amount of energy is required to remove most loosely bounded electron from the isolated neutral atom or a molecule. Okay, sir. And then electronegativity, it is denoted by the symbol X. The tendency of an atom to attract shared pair of electron towards itself. It is measured by Bolling scale. It is commonly used as. Then now we are going to know about anomalous properties of the B black elements. Anomalous properties of the B black elements means the first member of each group differ from other elements of the corresponding group. I am telling in Tamil, ஒவ்வொரு தொகுதியில் உள்ள முதல் தனிமம் அதன் தொகுதியில் உள்ள மற்றொரு தனிமங்களோடு வேறுபட்டு இருக்கும். அதை தான் என்னன்னு சொல்கிறோம், anomalous properties. I am again telling you the B black element, the first member of each group differ from other elements of the corresponding group, and they are defining the following factors. The factor depends the size of the elements in the group, and high ionization energy and high electronegativity, and absence of d orbital. These are the factor of anomalous properties in the B black elements. The first, for example, I am telling the first member of 13th group is boron, is a metal, is a metalloid, and others are non-metal. 13th group. The 13th group, the boron is a metalloid, and others are reactive metals. And the 14th group, the carbon is a non-metal, others are metalloid. The 15th group, nitrogen is a non-metal and others are metalloid. The 16th group, oxygen is a non-metal and others are metalloid. And the 17th and the 18th all are non-metals. So the anomalous properties proved by this concept. So again I am telling you, anomalous property means the first member of the each group or differ from other elements of the corresponding group. Now we are going to discuss about inert fair effect. Inert fair effect means the outer s electron, that is called the ns electron. The ns electron, s orbital electron, ns electron having a tendency to remain inert. Inert means not active, inactive. So the ns orbital electron having a tendency to remain inert, and so reluctant means hesitation, tayakam, and so reluctant to take part the bonding. This is known as inert fair effect. Simply I am saying in Tamil, the s orbital electronகள் பாண்டு இணைப்பில் ஈடுபடாமல் மந்தத்தன்மையாக இருக்கின்றது. அதனால் அவங்க என்ன பண்ணுது, அவங்க ஸ்டேபிளாக இருக்குது, பிகாஸ் கம்ப்ளீட்லி ஃபில்டாக இருக்குது, அதனால் அந்த பிணைப்பில் ஏற்படலை. இந்த நிலைமைக்கு பேர் தான் இன்னர்ட் ஃபேர் எஃபெக்ட். இன் இங்கிலீஷ், த என்எஸ் ஆர் எலக்ட்ரான் have the tendency to remain inert, and so reluctant means already I told you, hesitation, tayakam, to take part in the bonding formation. This is known as inert fair effect. It is observed in B black element 14th and 15th and 16th group. The contination, it may be asked, repeated 2 more question. I say you, contination means a carbon has a tendency to form a chain of bonding with itself or with other atom is known as contination. I am telling in Tamil, carbon ஆனது தானாகவோ அல்லது பிற தனிமங்களோட இணைந்து ஒரு பெரிய சங்கிலி தொடரை உருவாக்கும் தன்மை உடையது. இந்த தன்மைக்கு பெயர் தான் கான்டினேஷன். I am telling in English, the carbon has a greater or a tendency to form a chain of bond with itself and with other atom is known as contination. Now we are going to know about allotropes. Allotropes means, listen I say, some of the chemical elements having 2 more different forms in the same physical state is known as allotropes of the element. அதாவது ஒரே தனிமமான, I am telling in Tamil, ஒரே தனிமமானது 2 வெவ்வேறுபட்ட உருவமைப்பை பெற்றிருக்கும், அதனுடைய இயற்பியல் தன்மையில் physical state, அதை தான் allotropes சொல்கிறோம். For example, we take carbon. It exists 2 form, one diamond and graphite. These are the diamond and graphites are the allotropes form. Both are made of carbon. The difference of the difference form of the elements are called allotropes. Many of the B black element shows the allotropism. Number of allotropism given in the book, refer it. Now we are going to study about the first group of the B black element, 13th group, boron. It is a first element of the B black. So occurrence, it is mostly occurs means boron occurs as a borate. Its important ore or borax, its molecular formula are given Na2, B4O5, OH, tetra OH and water, and kernite, Na2, B4O5, OH 4 and 2H2O. It is extracted from its chief ore, bauxite, Al2O3 2H2O. The chemical reaction, very important, 2 mark, it may be asked in 2 mark question. The formation of boron nitrate. The boron nitrate is the boron react with molecular nitrogen to give boron nitrate. And preparation of diborane from boron trifluoride. Yes, sir. Correct, good sir. The ore of borax, again listen, Na2, the molecular formula of borax, Na2B4O5 OH, tetra OH and 8H2O, not O5, not benda oxide, H2O only. அடுத்தது கீழே இருக்கிறீங்க சொல்லிட்டேன். Preparation of diborane. The boron does not react with the hydrogen directly. Boron does not react with the hydrogen directly. It forms variety of hydrate. Is called borane. What is called borane? You have to write like this. Boron does not react with hydrogen directly. It forms variety of hydrates. Is called borane. It may be asked in 2 more question. The simplest borane is a diborane. The simplest borane from the boron family is a diborane. It has the molecular formula B2H6. Larger boranes are prepared from diborane. The reaction, in a reaction, 2 molecules of boron trifluoride react with the sodium hydrate at 450 Kelvin temperature to gives diborane and sodium fluoride product. Uses of boron. It has a capacity to observe the neutron. Boron has a capacity to observe the neutron. Hence, it is a isotope of boron. Is used as a moderator in nuclear reactor. So, the boron is used in nuclear reactor as a moderator. Moderator means it is a controller. It should not be exceed the limit and down the limit. It should maintain the particular limit. That is called a moderator. And used as a rocket fuel igniter. Rocket fuel, rocket nuடைய எரிபொருட்களை பற்ற வைப்பதற்கு இது பயன்படுகிறது. The amorphous boron are used as a rocket fuel igniter. Amorphous means shapeless, and it is used as a cell wall of plant. தாவரங்களுடைய செல் வாலாக பயன்படுகிறது. And uses of borax. கீழே சார். The molecular formula of borax Na2B4O7 and 10H2O. The borax contain tetranuclear units B4O5 tetra OH and power 2 minus. This form is known as prismatic form. It may be asked in 2 more question. Define prismatic form. If it is asked, you have to write like this up to. The borax contain tetranuclear units. This form is known as prismatic form. The 10 molecules of water distinguished from octagonal borax. And second, it is used for identification of colored metal ion. கலரை கண்டறிவதற்கு, உலோகத்தினுடைய கலரை கண்டறிவதற்கு பயன்படுகிறது. It is used for pottery glasses. பானை கண்ணாடிகள் தயாரிப்பதற்கு பயன்படுகிறது. It acts as a preservative method. பொருட்களை பதப்படுத்தி பாதுகாப்பதற்கு பயன்படுத்தப்படுகிறது. அடுத்தது next one, we are going to know about boric acid preparation from borax. Borax. So Na2 sodium borate react with sulfuric acid with water to gives sodium sulfate and boric acid H3BO3. Boric acid extracted from borax. At the next part, very important 3 mark or 2 mark question. Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. Fischer-Tropsch synthesis very very important. Mind it. The reaction of carbon monoxide, you know carbon monoxide CO with hydrogen at the pressure of less than 50 atmosphere. 50 வளிமண்டல குறைந்ததற்கு கீழே வினைபுரிகிறது. Using a metal as a catalyst at 500 to 700 Kelvin, it yields saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. You know very well about saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon. Saturated means the carbon linked to another elements and carbon through the single bond. Already I told. And unsaturated having a double bond or triple bond. So in the reaction, the carbon monoxide react with the hydrogen to give saturated compound CN H2 H2 plus N 2 plus 2 saturated hydrocarbon. Second one, the carbon monoxide react with hydrogen to give CN H2N plus N H2O. It is unsaturated hydrocarbon. Example, CH3, CH2, CH3, a saturated hydrocarbon, single bond formation, and CH3, CH double bond CH2, unsaturated, it is a double bond formation. Next, sir. Next one, very important question. It may be asked in 3 mark or 2 mark, maybe in 5 mark. Hydroboration. Hydroboration, the diborane, 2 molecule of borane adds to the alkene. You know very well about what is alkene, double bond compound, and alkyne. You know very well about alkyne, triple bond compound. The diborane adds to alkene or alkyne in the ether solvent at room temperature, yield saturated compound is obtained. It is used in synthetic organic reaction for anti-Markovonic addition. The anti-Markovonic addition வினையில இது பயன்படுகிறது. Reaction B2H6 diborane react with unsaturated compound to give saturated products obtained. Then now we are going to know about the identification of borate radical. We are going to know about for that flame test. In flame test, the borate and adding to ethyl alcohol. Borate added to ethyl alcohol, presence of sulfuric acid to give ethyl borate with green flame, green color flame. It confirms that presence of borate radical in this substance. So this is called identification of borate radicals. Sir. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.